welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and all that fun stuff. And today I actually want to show you guys how I'm gonna tint my eyebrows at home. This is the hair dye that I purchased. It's $6 or $7 at Rite Aid. I'm pretty sure you can purchase this at Walmart or any like drugstore for probably around the same price anyway. But yeah, the color I have is dark brown. I already used this around like 2-3 times I think. And yeah, I'm pretty sure next time I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna go for a lighter color since this is a little bit too dark that I don't want. But that's okay. So when you open it up, there's a little pan where you can put the hair dye in. As you guys can see, I already used it. And then I think there's a coupon in here as well. Yeah, you also get like a little coupon next time you buy it for $2 off, and I just dropped it. And then a little thing, I guess, if you want to dye a mustache, but we're not going to use this, so I guess let me put it back in the box. And then it comes with these two little guys. So one is the color developer, and then another one is the color base. So we're going to use this pan right over here. And I'm just going to put a little dot. You honestly need the tiniest amount for your eyebrows, since it's not like we're dyeing our whole head or like face. I mean beard, I guess. Whatever, if you're a guy. And then, well, let me show you guys. See a little like dot, and then I'm gonna put the same thing with the color like this. And then what I like to do is use brush that you use for like filling your eyebrows. I mean, don't use like the same one that you use for like filling your eyebrows, but like the type of brush that's like an angled eyebrow brush or eyeliner brush to kind of just like outline your brows. And let me actually put my bunny ears on. Sexy. Oh, what's wrong, kid? My baby Ken's like, he's like meowing. Aw, poor little guy. We're gonna take these two colors with a brush, and you're just gonna kind of like mix the base and the color together until it's all like blended. What I used to like trim my brows, I use a little face razor and kind of just like trim around it, and then with little tweezers just kind of get rid of the hair. I do my brows on my own. What we're gonna do, let me just do a little close up. I'm gonna brush my brows, you know, kind of even them out, and I'm gonna take the product on this. I think it's Kat Von D 02 brush, and then what I'm gonna do is try to fill my brows just as like normally you would, I guess. I mean, it's obviously gonna be a little messier because it's a dye, but just try to kind of just fill them in the same way you would do if you're doing your brows. And then what's nice about this is when you're done, and if you see like some spots they're still patchy, you can go in and do it again as many times as you want. Instead of like if you go to a salon, you do it once and then you just kind of go home and then you're fucked and you spent like 20 bucks on getting your eyebrows tinted one time, even though I spent $6 on this, and this is the 4th time actually already using this again, and I didn't even like dent the tube. So, and I'm gonna keep filling this in. Certain spots that like there's too much product or you don't want product on, you can just kind of like remove. Alright, that's one brow, and then I'm gonna go in and do the same thing on the other brow. We're just gonna brush it. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Well, it's not the final product, but it's after I applied the product on my brows. And now you can either use paper towel, or what I'm going to use is a makeup removal towelettes. I have these, they're like the generic brand but they're compared to the Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. I mean, they're really cheap. They do their job. I mean, they're not like the greatest makeup wipes you can ever use, but as long as it gets the makeup off, that's what that matters, right? So, I'm going to use and just wipe the product off my brows. Sorry, that was my computer. See, that's one of the brows. So much better. They look really good. And then the more you like wash your face, obviously it's not gonna last as long. But I mean, okay. I would say this will last like a week or two. Because I know like normal tinting, it lasts longer than this, but hey, can't beat the price, guys. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys can, you know, try this out at home, but it's super affordable. I mean, $6 the whole container, and look at these brows. You know, like my thing with my brows is they're really light, so you can't see the hairs. So if I do this, it's so much easier for me to fill them in, and whenever I don't wear makeup, it looks like I am, like, wearing at least, like, some type of brow product. Because my brows are not, like, terrible, you know. But they just need a little bit, like, they're a little bit patchy and a little light. But nothing, like, too crazy. But with this, it saves me so much time. And then I'm not, like, embarrassed to, like, go outside with, like, you know, no brows. So, yeah. Guess that's all. Let me take these little bunny ears off. But yeah, that's all for my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram, which is semi_violet. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.